Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Tinder can't delete account problem. Alright, let's begin. If any day you are bored of your Tinder account and you want to delete it, but you are not being able to delete your Tinder account, do not worry, we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, tap on Play Store on a device. After you tap on Play Store on your device, you will see an interface like this. Now go to the search option on your Play Store. In the search option, search for Tinder out there, and when you tap Tinder out there, you will see the option of Tinder. Now just go to the Tinder and check whether there is any update available or not. And if there is any updates available, just update the Tinder application. Now you have to open your Tinder application on your device. After you have opened the Tinder application, you have to go to the profile section on the down right on your Tinder. So tap on that and you will be on your profile page. Now you have to go to the settings option on Tinder application. To go to the settings option, go to the top right option there, and this way your settings will be opened. Now you have to check whether you have done any subscriptions or not. And if there is any subscriptions, you have to turn it off. Now go down until you find the option of logout. You can just log out your Tinder application and log in once again. This way your bug will be solved. But if isn't, then go to the option of delete account. Now tap the option of delete account, and when you tap the option of delete account, you will see a screen like this. Now go to the option of delete my account, and this way your account will be deleted from Tinder. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.